Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to how to reset Apple ID password without phone number and without any email address and phone number. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, before starting the video, please like this video and subscribe this channel. So guys, first of all, go to the settings app and then scroll down, go to general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on erase all content and settings, tap on continue, enter your iPhone passcode, tap on skip backup. So guys, the phone is asking for Apple ID password. Enter the Apple ID password to turn off Find My and activation lock. So guys, I don't know the password, so what you need to do, simply tap on forgot password here and wait for it. So guys, the iPhone is asking for enter iPhone password. The password you use to unlock this iPhone can also be used to reset your Apple ID password. So guys, simply enter your iPhone password, lock screen password. So wait for it. So wait for it. So here you can see guys, the iPhone is asking for new Apple ID password without any phone number or without any email address. So guys, so simply you can type your new password here. So simply type your new password here and then tap on the next button in the right corner. So your password will change without any phone number and without any email address. So guys, here is the simple solution to reset your Apple ID password without any phone number and without any email address. So guys, here is a simple solution to reset. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.